How to buy altcoin token. So this token came under the symbol of alt. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the Mexc account and keep following their updates about this token, and don't forget to check their community. So now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 3 days ago and increased by 100% in the last 24 hours. And also this token, the market cap of it, it's $44 million. This token trending number 3 in the Solana section on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address and open your wallet for that. After that, click here on swap. Now, make sure to select Solana token and now click here and paste the token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this also can click on it, and now here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see. And this is how much you will be able to receive of that token. After that, scroll down and you will be able to see here swap. Click on it. After that, you will be able to redirect you to OKX or Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy alt token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.